Okay. And good morning,
Good
sister.
morning.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
morning.
How
Good
do you feel
morning.
today? How do you
I'm
feel
fine.
today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. Nice. And this day two, we're going to learn about the fruits and grill the bread. Let's grill the bread. What this is for giving a service instruction and also reminding someone of something.
Okay.
And do you know about the part of the food? For example, fruit, vegetables, dairy, fats and oils, grains, meat, and other proteins. Could
Yes. Yeah.
you see right now, please, and mention all of them
Yeah.
for food and vegetable first?
Sorry.
Mention all of the items on
Oh, okay.
food and vegetables.
Okay. From the vegetables, apple, blueberries, lettuce, carrot, broccoli, potatoes, onions,
Mm,
tomatoes, bananas, kiwis, lemons. Oh no no no. Firstly, from fruit. Yeah, fruit, apples, blueberries, lemons, orange, bananas, kiwis. So
mm.
from vegetables, lettuce, carrot, broccoli, potatoes, onions, tomatoes.
All right. So why this letter in the end after yes and yes? Why?
What?
Why this words the end with the letter of S or ES? Kenapa? Kenapa diakhiri dengan S dan ES? Blueberries, apples, lemons, bananas, tomatoes,
Okay, okay. Because plural,
plural.
more than
What
one.
is plural mean? Or more than one. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is in grammar, I guess. Comprehensive more. Dijelaskan lebih di grammar. So. And then now we move to meat proteins,
Meat,
please.
meat and other proteins. Okay. Beef, nuts, fish, chicken, eggs, beans.
And all of the items, what is the most do you like? I mean, is the best you like?
I like beef, fish, chicken. Already.
Just one, I guess.
Chicken, yeah, chicken, fish, and beef. I like. But eggs, nuts, beans, it's not
Okay,
too.
not the like.
Yeah.
How about dairy? Could you mention dairy and fats and oils?
Okay, dairy, cheese, milk, yogurt. I like all of this.
Fats and oil?
Oh, yeah. Butter, cream, oil.
Butter. What is mean butter in Bahasa?
Butter, margarin, mentega.
Mentega ya?
Yeah.
Eh, iya nggak sih? Iya ya, butter
Yes.
mentega. Now, grains.
Grains, cereal, bread, noodles, rice, crackers, pasta.
Hmm. Um, what? Wait. What is the most used like for this item?
Uh, rice.
Rice. How about the
Yeah.
noodle? How often do you
Uh,
consume noodle in a day or in a week?
no, no, noodle. I I don't like more.
You don't like more.
Yeah, yes. Maybe the rice and bread. Uh, I like both of them.
Or you didn't like noodles.
Yes.
Oh, good. I guess it's also healthy life. Right? All right. What is this?
This maybe milk powder or flour.
In bahasa tepung,
Yeah, flour.
flour. Yeah,
Flowers. Yeah.
yeah. This is a flower. For pronunciation tepung, it seems like a pronunciation and uh, pronunciation for bunga, flower.
Yeah, yeah,
Tepung
flour.
also flower. Then this,
Yes. What stick?
yeah, this is for stick. I guess it's beef, right? But I don't know this is a pork or not. And this one,
Beef.
beef, right? How about this?
Fish.
Fish, all right. Ham, and then
Noodles.
yeah, no less. It's like Indomie and also mixed up, right?
Yeah.
It's really nice. I mean,
Yeah.
yes. How about this?
Fruit and vegetables. Vegetables.
You could say that vegetables, like yes. You could see mushroom there and
Yes.
apple, paprika, pumpkin, and that and many more. This is a vocabulary. Look at the way that people prepare food, and the list one more food for each calendar. For steam, we could bake, steam, make it with steam, microwave vegetables, and fish grill. Noodle is boiled, and noodle is fried. And I mean it's here, and then right now for meat, yeah, is to grill or nuts or bake, fish, fry fish, or vegetable steam, noodles boiled, microwave, frozen dinner, like that one. Please mention just three, and you could say just three is the way to prepare for food is grill or bake or fry or steam or boil or microwave.
Okay.
The food is
Okay.
depend on you. I'll give you some for this thing is maybe just 2 minutes is enough.
Yes. Grill chicken.
Oh yes. Then
Bake cracker.
what is that?
Crack, crackers.
Cracker? Cracker is the bread. Oh okay, good.
Bake.
Good.
Fry uh, potato.
Potato?
Potatoes, yeah.
Yeah, right. Maybe you could mention again if you don't mind.
French fries.
French fries.
So steam,
Okay.
steam, uh, what, sushi.
Sushi. Mm-mm.
Boil, egg.
Egg.
Yeah. Microwave,
Microwave.
microwave, uh, bread.
Bread.
Yeah.
Mm, I see. How about nacho? Or we call that meatball. Meatball.
Oh, yes, meatball also boil meatball.
Boil.
Yeah.
All right. And then, um, tell us the best way to prepare different food for this one. For example, I think the best way to prepare vegetable is to steal them. And you could say like this. I think the best way to prepare meatball is to boil it.
Mhm.
Could you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Please practice more about your food that you mentioned before.
Okay. I think the best way to prepare uh, stick is uh, to grill it.
Mm,
Yeah, I
really?
think the best way to prepare stick is to grill it.
All right. Good. And how about this? What does not cake?
That's uh, that's a bread, but uh,
Combined with
yeah, combined with tomato and vegetable and fruit.
okay. And listen again and this conversation, yeah.
Lesson 6. First, grill the bread. Page 14. Conversation. A. Listen. What do you need to make bruschetta? What do you do after you rub the bread with garlic?
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and basil leaf. Try one.
Lesson 6. First, grill the bread. Page 14. Conversation. A. Listen. What do you need to make bruschetta? What do you do after you rub the bread with garlic?
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and basil leaf. Try one.
Lesson 6. First, grill the bread. Page 14. Conversation. A. Listen. What do you need to make bruschetta? What do you do after you rub the bread with garlic?
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, Add salt, pepper, and basil leaf. Try one.
Again?
Okay, already now.
Oh, original. Okay. So before we practice together, and I want you to listen again. And this word C, right? And write two extra sentences you hear in the conversation. It means that nanti bakal ada tambahan dua kalimat lagi yang nanti silakan Mr. mention for the sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Got it? Listen again.
Yeah.
Page 14, conversation. C. Listen. Write the two extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic. Do this right away.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and a basil leaf. Try one. You'll love it.
Do you know the sentences?
Yes.
What is that?
Before, okay, it smell good.
Mm-mm.
Say,
Before the garlic, after the garlic.
yes.
Garlic. And then what he say that?
He said,
What she say that?
this the way. I see this the way.
Just right way.
Yeah.
No. It means that do the right way.
Okay, this right way.
And then come on.
Already, I listen on that.
Okay. Game. Maybe we
Okay.
Page 14, conversation. C. Listen. Write the two extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic. Do this right away.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and a basil leaf. Try one. You'll love it.
okay. What is that?
Okay. Yeah. No. I don't get
One sentence again.
one sentence again. I don't listen.
After
I don't find. I don't find.
you don't find,
Yes.
I give you to listen again.
What?
Page
Okay.
14, conversation. C. Listen. Write the two extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
What are you making?
Bruschetta. Have you tried it?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then rub the bread with garlic. Do this right away.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and a basil leaf. Try one. You'll love it.
Apa? What is that?
Okay, in the last sentence.
Yes.
You love it. You love it.
Yeah. You love it. Okay. Good. So, please, you as your Amestara,
Okay.
very competition.
Yeah. What are you making?
Bushra, have you ever tried?
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure you grill both sides. Then wrap the bread with a garlic.
Okay. It smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and basil leaves. Try one. And you, as Sarah, I'm you right now.
Yeah.
What are making?
Bruschetta. Bruschetta. Like
Hmm?
that? Bruschetta.
Yeah, just bushra.
Bruschetta. Okay. Bruschetta. Have you ever tried it?
Have you ever tried it?
Have you ever tried it? Tried it.
No. How do you make it?
First, grill the bread. Make sure your your grill both sides. Then wrap the bread with garlic.
Garlic. Okay. Okay, it smells good.
Next, pour olive oil on the bread. Don't pour too much, just a little. After that, put on some chopped tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and a basil leaf. And basil leaf. Try one.
Okay. Good. This is for language roster for today. Giving a satisfaction, it means that cara menunjukkan sesuatu perintah kita yang pertama, dan itu bilang kan, pertama, first grill the bread, and then wrap the bread with garlic. Next, pour olive oil on the bread. After that, put on some tomatoes. Finally, add salt, pepper, and basil leaf. If you make sure that we have conjunction,
Okay.
the first, yeah, ya, order ya, conjunction order kayak kata penghubung gitu. Yang ada hubungannya kayak first, second, then next, after, finally, second one. If you're reminding someone of something, it means that mengingatkan. You could say that make sure you remember atau make sure you remember to atau be sure to or don't forget. Yeah, that's it. Make sure you go brush fine atau be sure to use fresh tomatoes. Okay, Mister? Could you get it?
Okay, okay. Yeah. I read this.
Yes. Number of the
Yes.
steps for boiling in H. Order 1, 2, until 5. Kira-kira
Okay,
urutannya yang
fine.
mana?
Okay. First grill the bread, then wrap the. Oh, this the part B, yeah. Uh, firework. Sorry.
What is that?
No, no.
Just give order 1 until
Yes.
5
Okay.
for part word B.
Okay. Firstly, uh, boil the water.
Mhm. Are you
Then.
sure this is the first?
Oh, no, 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 no. Sorry. Add the water to the pot. The firstly.
And then
Yeah. So boil the water. Yeah. Boil the water. Put an egg in a pot. Cook
Mm-hmm.
for then cook for 12 minutes. So the
Okay.
last, cool the egg with cool water.
Okay. Um, are you sure to put an egg in a pot in the three step?
Uh, yes. Maybe better we boil the water first. Until the water what mendidih to what?
Yes. Don't forget to set the time because if you, I mean, if the dough is not fixed, uh, I guess it's different result for the egg. Next,
Yeah.
listening. Okay. Yes. For the pronunciation.
Page 15. Pronunciation. A. Listen and practice. Notice how the two consonant sounds at the beginning of a word are pronounced together. Each of these words is one syllable. 1,
Smell.
Smell.
2,
Skip.
Skip.
3,
Spice.
Spice.
4,
Steam.
Steam.
5,
Snack.
Snack.
6,
Fry.
Fry.
7,
Glad.
Glad.
Again.
Enough.
Enough. Okay. All right. So could you mention
Okay.
smell and forget?
Yeah. Smell. Skip.
Hmm.
Spice. Steam. Snack. Fry. Glad.
Okay. And then one until three. Wait. Please practice the sentence. Pay attention how you pronounce it in class three. Please mention from one until three.
Please slice some bread.
And then
Never skip breakfast.
yeah,
Put a snack on a plate.
put a snack on a plate.
Like,
Disambung.
yeah.
Put a snack on a plate.
Yeah. Okay. Put a snack on the plate.
All right. Um. Yes. The last three items. Okay. Maybe the one to make this one. Tempe
Donut.
fried. Yes. Tempe fried. Fried. Yeah. Good. Fried tempeh. It's okay if you want to make a fried tempeh. Please select three items, and after that you will make the steps for fried tempeh. Please.
Okay. Maybe number three.
Huh?
Number three. No, no.
Mm,
All of this, I.
could you get it, my instruction? I want to overview just
Yeah.
one picture. That picture is fried tempeh here, right? Because yes, fried tempeh. And
Yes.
then how to make it fried tempeh? Please select all of these items, just three items. Cuma tiga aja. Nih, kan sini ada bawang merah, bawang putih, dan sebagainya. And then
Mm.
spell, speak more about the steps. Okay? Did you get it, people?
Yeah. Number one. The
Hmm.
donuts. Okay. Uh. Put the flour on the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, uh, we put the milk. We put milk and baking soda and the water.
Mm-hmm.
Wait until 10 minutes.
All right.
Yeah. After that, uh, we make a cycle. The flour. We mix a cycle like we mix a cycle. So after that, we put on microwave. Mm.
And then,
And then we give the topping from maybe cheese or sugar or something else. Number two, what is fish fries? What is number two, Mister?
mm, I guess is uh, mushroom, fried mushroom, jamur goreng gitu nggak sih?
Mm.
Soalnya sini ada
Okay, I
mushroom.
see. Okay, I see. Okay, firstly, we clean the mushroom. So we cut it as we like. Okay, this
Mm-hmm. Cut mushroom.
yes. Sorry. After cut the mushroom, so we mix the mushroom
After that,
into the. After that, we put the mushroom on the flour.
mm-hmm.
Oh no, no. Secondly, mix the flour with water and little sugar, little salt. Yeah. After that, we put the mushroom that we have cut into the
Mm-hmm.
flour. So after that, we boil. No, boil. No, we fry. We fry it
Mm-hmm.
until the color is light brown.
All right. Don't forget if we have a sauce. I mean, the tomato sauce there. Make the tomato sauce
Oh
or
yes,
use
yes, yes.
chili sauce.
Yeah, we make chili or
And the
sauce.
last might be
This tempeh, huh?
fried tempeh.
Yeah, fried tempeh. Firstly, we cut the tempeh. Uh, uh, we cut the tempeh. So we mix the flour with water with salt. So after that, we put the cut tempe
Mhm.
into the hmm, yeah. So after that, we fry the tempeh, and don't
Okay.
forget we make the
And
sauce
then
with
don't forget
soya mixed
Jaya sauce.
with what chili.
I see. Oh, nice. And sounds good for today. And